Daily AI News. Headlines for July 17, 26. OpenAI and keyboard maker Work Louder have unveiled the Codex Micro, a compact hardware controller for AI agents. Instead of typing commands, developers use joysticks and a rotary dial. 6 RGB-lit keys show agent status: thinking, working, waiting, or done. The joystick triggers workflows like code review or debugging, while the dial controls reasoning level, how much compute the model uses. It plugs into ChatGPT Codex with remappable keys. Work Louder's input software allows custom shortcuts across 6 layers. The $230 device includes 32 swappable keycaps. It connects via Bluetooth or USB-C on Mac and Windows, but is currently out of stock. Replit engineers nearly tripled code output in 6 months while keeping review times steady and quality flat. This shift began when AI models could sustain longer tasks. Agents now investigate incidents, review pull requests, and improve systems. From January to June, code contributions increased 5.8x overall, or 2.9x per engineer. Code review latency stayed flat because agents review code, saving 30% of human review time. Reversion rates and incidents remained flat, while project completion rates rose sharply. One engineer automated a CSS migration, another localized the product, and the CTO solved a networking bug with agent swarms. Andrew Dye left Google DeepMind to focus on visual AI, raising a $55 million seed round at a $300 million valuation for his startup Elorian. This happened months after his departure, with a higher valuation-to-capital ratio than Thinking Machine's record round. Dye notes AI excels in math, physics, and coding, but visual understanding is uneven. Elorian aims to build models toward visual AGI. He chose strategic investors like Nvidia and Menlo Ventures over higher offers, valuing their frontier AI insight. The episode covers pitching technical ideas, recruiting from big tech, and why speed is a key advantage. A hacker exposed how AI music maker Suno trained its models on millions of songs from YouTube Music and Deezer without permission. Leaked code shows 2,013,545 tracks from YouTube Music and 12,287 hours from Deezer, spanning decades. Suno targeted a cappella versions for vocal training and scraped podcasts. The company admits using essentially all music files of reasonable quality on the open internet, arguing fair use. This highlights the conflict between AI companies and creators, with lawsuits from the RIA and artists. The practice is widely criticized as staggering theft, affecting writing, photography, and filmmaking. A new DeepMind study by postdoc Balint Jayavner, featured in Nature, explores indirect data poisoning in AI systems. This attack manipulates autonomous agents without direct model access or trigger words. Detection rates did not improve with more critical prompting, suggesting human oversight may be ineffective if AI has filtered evidence. The preprint highlights vulnerabilities in scientific discovery tools, especially as autonomous agents become prevalent. The findings imply human oversight might provide false security. The paper is accessible online, with Nature coverage offering further insights. Capital One open-sourced VulnHunter, an AI security tool that analyzes source code from an attacker's perspective. Unlike traditional scanners, it uses a falsification engine to challenge findings, reducing false positives. It starts at attacker-accessible entry points like APIs and reasons forward through logic. Surviving vulnerabilities get evidence-backed remediation code. The tool needs Claude Opus 4.8 and a Claude Code environment. In internal tests, it found and fixed vulnerabilities across thousands of repos. Released under Apache License 2.0, it aims to strengthen collective defense against AI-powered threats. The 2026 World AI Conference opened in Shanghai on July 17 with over 300 global product debuts, including Nubia's NaviX Ultra, the first AI agent smartphone. It uses a GUI agent to visually parse screens and execute multi-step tasks across apps without user instructions. The NaviX Ultra runs ByteDance Zdroje AI at the OS level, demonstrated booking restaurants and sending messages. Huawei debuted the Atlas 950 Supernode, an AI data center on domestic chips, showing China can train frontier models without Nvidia's H100 or H200. Minimax released M3, a multimodal model with a 1 million token context window for enterprise legal and finance. Sakana AI adds Nvidia's open Nemotron models to its Fugu orchestrator, aiming to prove coordinated open models can rival frontier systems. Fugu dynamically selects and combines LLMs for subtasks, then synthesizes results. Sakana claims its Fugu Ultra performed on par with Anthropic's Fable 5 and Mythos Preview, despite early speed and cost criticisms. Nvidia's Nemotron family includes open-weight models strong in coding, tool calling, and instruction following. Nemotron 3 Ultra, 550B total, 55B active, is called the most capable open US model. Nemotron 3 Nano Omni handles text, images, video, and audio. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI news.